Zimbabwe has been at the center of a controversy involving ZPRA veterans, individuals who played a crucial role during the country's armed struggle for independence. These veterans have been promised mining claims by the government as a form of compensation for their service, but here's the twist. Despite these promises, the veterans claim they haven't received anything. Let's break this down. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, alongside his predecessor Robert Mugabe, had assured these veterans that they would be allocated mining claims, especially in the resource-rich region of Matabeleland. This promise, however, seems to be airier than initially thought. According to Booster Magwitsi, a spokesperson for the ZPRA Veterans Association, they have yet to see these claims materialize. "We have heard of such stories from the government," he states, "but we have not received or benefited from such an initiative." This isn't just about broken promises. The issue delves deeper into a historical context of neglect and mistreatment. During the 1980s, properties owned by these veterans were seized following the discovery of arms caches, leading to the infamous Gukurahundi massacres. Decades later, these properties have not been returned, adding to the veterans' grievances. In recent developments, ZPRA veterans have stepped up their efforts, submitting lists of their seized properties to President Mnangagwa, urging for their return. Despite meetings and promises, the situation remains stagnant. The veterans' frustration is palpable as they continue to fight for what they believe is rightfully theirs. This ongoing saga is more than a political dispute. It's a reflection of the struggles many veterans face globally, fighting for recognition and recompense long after the battles have ended. As this issue unfolds, it raises critical questions about the responsibilities of governments towards those who have served them and the integrity of political promises. How will this impact the trust between the veterans and the government? Only time will tell. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this overview informative, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Your engagement helps us bring more such stories to light. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.